Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to equalize the piano in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started finding instruments that you want to record, you can get started recording yourself, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you equalize our piano instrument using GarageBand. Basically, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find the keyboard right here by scrolling until you find the keyboard option that we're going to go ahead and open up by tapping on it. And now this is going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording ourselves playing the piano. As you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that's going to start the recording process and so on. So guys, after you're finished with recording yourself and you want to go ahead and equalize your piano, to see how it works, what you want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, click on the edit menu. That's going to open up this menu right here. This is the mixing menu where we can find all the tracks we have. As you can see, here is our grand piano. And now if we want to equalize it, what we want to do is click the sliders option right here in the upper left corner. That's going to open up the track settings. Here you have your options that you have: quantization, transposition, and so on. They're going to enable you to add your desired effects. But basically what you want to use is the plugins and equalizer option right here. So as you can see, we have a plugins and equalizer, which once you open up, you have your equalizer that you can go ahead and open up and get started with equalizing your piano and see how it looks. So use the visual equalizer option right here and get started with adding the desired effects. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.